back to my channel, and I am Shivani here, and I'm back again with another video tutorial. And today's video tutorial is going to be on a blushed makeup look. Now this makeup look is meant for Navratri Pooja. So this is my version of doing it. Like, this is not basically any version, but this is my go-to makeup look, and I really like to do it because I feel that this makeup look is super simple to do, and you really do not need to do a lot like bronzing and all stuff, and it's super quick. And yes, I really love this look. So I hope you guys are also going to enjoy this particular makeup look, and I would want you guys to be a part of my family. So if you have not subscribed yet, then please do by clicking on the subscription button down below, and do turn on the notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I post a video. And that's pretty much, guys, and without further ado, let's kickstart. So I'm going to apply a little bit of it in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to put a little bit here and on the bridge of my nose, and over here and here. And I have little spots over here from the acne which I had in last couple of days, so I'm just gonna conceal them as well. Now once all the areas are perfectly concealed, we are going to move to our next step, which is using the foundation. Now if you guys are watching my videos continuously, then you guys will have noticed that nowadays I'm using one particular kind of foundation. So I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. So I kind of love this foundation too much. It's very nice on my skin. Also the shade is perfect for my skin. So I've been using this one for a long time now, but also I'm hunting for a new foundation, and probably I'm going to show you guys a new foundation in one of my upcoming videos, which is going to be on affordable makeup look. So we're going to talk about that later. Now I'm going to take a little bit of it. I'm not going to take a lot of it because I'm not trying to do full face of makeup kind of thing. I want it to be very subtle and soft, so I'm not going to apply a lot of foundation. Okay, so I'm going to take a little dot of it.